So you finally installed a water filter to improve water quality in your house. Great job! But what if I tell you filtered water won't save your skin? Here's why. Your skin constantly interacts with water. Your skin interacts with water on a daily basis. From baths to hand washing, each interaction exposes your skin to tap water and whatever chemicals or minerals it contains. Tap water contains chlorine and hard minerals like calcium and magnesium. While these meet safety standards, they aren't designed to support skin health. Tap water is particularly dangerous for people with sensitive skin, children, and those prone to dryness, irritation, or even eczema. How water affects skin barrier. Chlorine in tap water disrupts your skin's natural protective layer by stripping away natural oils that help retain moisture. When this happens, your skin dries easily and it becomes vulnerable to even the gentlest product. Repeated exposure can also cause the skin to feel itchy or tight and reduce its ability to defend itself against irritants and bacteria. On the other hand, hard water minerals react with your soap to form a residue that doesn't rinse away easily. That residue clings to the skin and causes irritation, dryness, and redness. So you can change all the soaps, shampoos, detergents, etc. you want, but it won't make a difference because they were never the problem in the first place. The fix. At Superior Water Purification, we've seen people thinking about water quality only when it comes to drinking. However, a simple water filtration setup won't fix your problem because it isn't purifying the water that touches your skin.
I used the Weddle Duo, the top performing shower filter in my testing, which removes not only chlorine.
A quick and easy fix for this during bath times is a shower filtration system. It filters harmful chemicals and minerals from your tap water right where it matters most. Filtering water at the shower head limits drying and irritating effects that often appear as rashes, irritation, and redness. A whole home filtration system goes a step further by treating water before it ever reaches any faucet. This means cleaner and safer water for bathing, laundry, and dishwashing. Over time, this supports healthier skin, softer hair, and less buildup on fixtures. Clean for drinking and gentle for skin are two different standards. Your skin's health depends heavily on daily exposure, not just what you consume. That's all for today. Do you have a water purification system installed in your house? Comment below.